How to animate text on CapCut application. Are you guys facing issues to animate your text on CapCut application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. Once you open the CapCut, now enter the project that you want to animate text on. Once you enter the project, now just simply click on the text. Once you click on the text, look at the bottom of your screen where you can see multiple options. Just drag it to the left side. You can see the option for animation. Click on it. You can see multiple animations over here. Just select it according to your preference. Once you select it, click on right button. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add animation on text. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding CapCut, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. Bye bye.